Hey, I'm back. The painting has been worked on. Now, there's several things that I feel that are wrong with this. And, well, not wrong. It's just that it needs to be fixed. And you need to know why I'm doing that. Now, number one, it needs more highlight. This needs to be developed. This right here, these two are the same shapes or the same width. So I need to check this out. I think I need to eliminate this right here. I need to make this more white. Leaving that, leaving this, and I'm going to leave this because I like it. Because it's just there. It doesn't say flower, but it doesn't say it's not a flower. So let's leave that. And then some highlight on this. So let's get going to see how that's going to work. But I could add highlight. Now, where does the highlight need to be? I think it needs to be here. Remember, I don't want to know the size brush that I've used. So, hey, I don't mind it on some, but I just don't want it all over to say, oh, she used a 1-inch brush. I know that. Now, when I stand back, I may say, whoops, I added too much. I don't need to do that. I don't want to do that. I think that this needs to be brought down to where it's white. This is also wet. So whether this will work or not. But I don't care about whether or not it's perfect. I like leaving some of what's underneath as well. Number two, the other thing is that this color that I loved so much yesterday, I now don't like it. I think we need a bright, really beautiful bright blue. And I've got to find that in order to see what I can come up with here. I don't know. I don't want to do too much mixing because I'm picking up colors from underneath. And if you're wondering what color this is a Charvin color. It's called Bright Linen. Now, do these work like this? I don't know. I have to get back to see it. Can't judge it right now. I'm too close. You guys can judge better than I can right now. Little tiny touches. This is what makes or breaks a painting. Yeah, I think I will come in with some brighter pink. Just to make sure you guys know I can use brighter pink. And I think what I'm going to do is to sit back and just look at this for a while. There are things that need to be done, but I don't know what they are right now. I just love shapes. I think shapes are gorgeous. We're going to do a whole video on shapes. Will that work? I don't know if it works or not. You guys have to tell me that. I'm questioning, do I put a white in here? But I don't want it to be cookie cutter. So I'm not sure if I'm going to put a white there. And I've got to do something in that far edge. I don't like how that is. I may add more blue. I don't know. But anyway, this is the painting. Remember that it is the little things that you add at the end that you look at and you say, what could I do to give this some spark, real spark? That's what it takes. And so to me, it's the blue. So anyway, I love you. We'll see you. Let me know in the comments what you think, what you feel about the painting. It means the world to me, and it helps everybody in the community. Love ya. Bye.